All right, so the antagonist stretch, almost the same, not exactly. I'm gonna bring your leg up, and I want you to tell me when you're at a discomfort level of 6.
Right there.
Right here. So I'm gonna hold this for 10 seconds. Now I want you to push back for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want you to pull your leg back as far as you can towards yourself. That's it. And I'm gonna hold this for 30 seconds. 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. You can relax. Bring your leg down. And I'm gonna stretch you out. And that's it.
Thanks for following NPTI Florida. I'm Pat Sherman. Just want to let you know we appreciate you guys liking us, following us, and friending us. Continue to watch our YouTube channel. We're going to try to do a really good job of giving you as much information about the fitness industry as possible this year. If you're looking to become a personal trainer, you're excited about helping other people become healthy, give us a call, 407-772-0057. That's 407-772-0057. Give us a call, come on in, tour, work out for free anytime. Thanks again.